Hello everyone and welcome back to a new tutorial and video. Today I'm back to show you how to make the metered granny square. There are two ways of making the metered granny square. They'll be separated in two videos. It's a very easy pattern and it's similar to the granny square but a bit prettier than the classic granny square because it is worked on one side only. Different two ways, as I said. One is it's starting all with the beginning. One is working half granny and one is working full granny. So for this one it'll be in the next video, and we'll start with doing this one on this tutorial. So if you want to see how to achieve the metered granny square with two clusters, stay tuned for the rest of the video. So I'm using medium worsted yarn and 6mm crochet hook. I'm starting with a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 4. I'm gonna make 2 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. First cluster, I'm gonna chain 2 and 3 double crochet in the same chain. This is the first row or round or square, half square. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna chain 3 and turn. I'm gonna make a double cluster in the chain 2 space, means 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Chain 2 and 3 double crochet, and then in this last stitch I'm gonna make 1 double crochet. This is how it looks so far. Chain 3, two double crochet in this first space. In the corner again, chain 2 space is a cluster, chain 2 cluster. Cluster means 3 double crochet. And this last space I'm gonna make 3 double crochet. Oops. Or cluster. So already taking the shape of the metered granny square or half granny. I'm gonna chain 3 and I'm gonna work cluster in the space. So basically clusters are worked only in the space. Whenever you have previous cluster, you only chain 3 and you go straight to the next space. If you have a space as the last worked stitch or you worked the space, then you start with a cluster right here. Then you start with the cluster right here, like we did in the previous row. So 1 cluster in the space, and again in the corner, cluster, chain 2, cluster. Again in the space, 1 cluster, and in the last stitch 1 double crochet. And this is the metered granny square. It's worked in half, just like this one and just like this one. So you start with 2 clusters only instead of 4, and this is how you go with it. So as I said, when you have only 3 double crochet as last stitches, you work a double crochet, and then you will get a space in the beginning, then you work a cluster. But if you have, yeah, like that, okay, and this is how you get the metered granny square with 2 clusters.